Hey guys, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. Today we are going to talk about gold's big rally and how crypto traders can catch it with Pax Gold. So, gold is rallying again, breaking key resistance levels and showing strength even as global markets remain uncertain. So, historically, gold performs well during periods of inflation, market volatility, and economic slowdown. And that is exactly what we are seeing right now. With inflation staying elevated, many investors are turning to gold as a way to preserve value. The rally also highlights how traditional safe haven assets still play a role even in today's digital first markets. So, gold recently touched new highs, supported by continued demand from central banks and institutional investors. But for those active in the crypto ecosystem, there is also a digital asset that is directly correlated with gold. PaxG or Pax Gold. What is Pax Gold or PaxG? So Pax Gold is a gold-backed digital asset launched by Paxos in September 2019. Each token is backed by 1 fine troy ounce of physical gold, securely stored in vaults and regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, PaxG is an ERC20 token, making it easy to transfer or trade on various crypto exchanges. The idea behind it is to make gold ownership more accessible and divisible while maintaining full backing by the underlying metal. To maintain transparency, Paxos conducts monthly audits through an independent third-party auditing firm. These attestations confirm that the amount of gold held in custody matches the total circulating supply of PaxG tokens, and they are publicly available on the Paxos website for anyone to verify. Why it is relevant for crypto users? For users in the crypto space, PaxG represents a digital reflection of gold's price movements. And when gold prices rise or fall, PaxG typically mirrors that movement, offering a blockchain-based exposure to the same asset. It serves as a bridge between traditional commodities and digital assets, allowing for easier portfolio diversification, all within the crypto ecosystem. So to conclude, as gold continues to capture market attention, digital representations like PaxG highlight how traditional assets are evolving in the blockchain era. Whether it is for diversification or understanding how real-world assets integrate into crypto, PaxG is a key example of tokenized commodities reshaping modern finance. So, gold rally is not just happening in traditional markets anymore. Through tokenized assets like PaxG, now it is part of the digital economy too. If you found this video helpful, do like and share and also subscribe.